I don't know about you, but this pandemic thing is getting old. I mean, okay, it's nice to have some time off, all right? So I've been at home. I've been drinking coffee. I've been playing my records, you know. I got some from back in the day. That Hey Mr. Tambourine Man's pretty good. But it is getting old, seriously, you know. So I borrowed this here, we call it tablet. And I'm going to try this out and see what I can find. Somebody said this one was good. Something like Yaadman Ting? Whatever.
Yaadman Ting! That's my Ting! Hey! Yaadman Ting! Woo! That's my Ting! Hey! Vblock Ting! Yaadman Ting! That's my Ting! Hey! Yaadman Ting! That's my Ting! Hey! I'm bringing the new one, the big! That's my Ting! Hey! Something so fresh is true! Yaadman Ting! Right! Have to clear up some real shit, boo boo! Room my Ting! Woo! Taking the time to get through to you bitches! Root one Ting! Hey! I don't give a fuck with you. You couldn't stop me if you tried. Listen, we only.
This guy needs more Jesus. Looks like I'm going to need more Bob Dylan. Peace and see you later, alligator.